To add Mendeley to Word, there are two methods. The first method applies if you have the latest Microsoft Office. Begin by opening Microsoft Word and navigating to the Home tab. Then click on Add-ins, located on the far right. In the Add-ins section, search for Mendeley, and once found, click the Add button to install the add-in. You will need to log in with your username, email, and password. After logging in, you will be able to access your saved articles, references, and citations. To ensure everything is synced, click the Sync button, which will confirm with a green checkmark when complete. To access Mendeley again, simply go to the Home tab, click on Add-ins, and Mendeley should be listed. It will also be added automatically the next time you open Word, and can also be found under the References tab. If the first method is not possible, there is a second option. Close Microsoft Word and open the Mendeley Reference Manager on your desktop. Click on Tools, then select Install Mendeley Site for Microsoft Word, which will direct you to a website. On this website, click Get It Now for Word, which is free. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name and country. Then click Get It Now again. This will take you to Microsoft 365 to complete the installation. After logging in, you will have the option to open the add-in in Word. Once opened, click Accept and Continue to install the Mendeley add-in, which will provide access to your articles and references, along with some helpful tips and additional support resources.